This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting Gear and Lock and Exposure. Use a fast prime like a 50mm f/1. 8. It creates shallow depth of field and smoother highlights. Put your Canon in aperture priority and choose f/1. 8 f/2. 8 so background blurs more. Place your subject several meters from background and move closer to your subject to compress perspective. Once done, drop ISO to keep noise low and let the camera set shutter speed. If too slow, raise ISO or choose a faster shutter. Now concentrate on composition and focus, because sharp focus plus blurred background makes the effect believable. Use a single AF point aimed at the subject's nearest eye. That ensures the eye is tack sharp while the rest melts away. If you have an 85mm or longer, step back and zoom in to compress the scene. This increases bokeh. Once you've framed, confirm focus with live view magnification or manual focus. This avoids hunting and keeps the blurred highlights clean and pleasing. Finish by refining exposure and shooting multiple frames to choose the best bokeh. Make small exposure compensation adjustments to preserve highlight shape and avoid blown discs. Bracket if needed. Use a lens hood or ND filter when shooting wide open in bright light so you keep f/1. 8 without overexposure. Finally, inspect results, and if bokeh looks harsh or busy, clean the front element, simplify the background, or increase subject background distance. This single tweak usually fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.